So let's go over deleting lines and surfaces in SketchUp. There are a couple of ways we can do this. One is while we are in our select tool, I can select lines, hit delete on my keyboard, and it will delete the line and any surface connected with it. Here I can select surfaces and delete those. I can also select multiple surfaces by holding down Shift, and then I can delete those at the same time. And then here, just by selecting and hitting delete on my keyboard, I can remove those. So let me Control Z, undo all that. And let me use my eraser tool. With the eraser tool, I can select intersections and it will delete all the lines and surfaces in that intersection. Let me Control Z, undo that. And one other way we can erase objects is with the eraser tool, hold down left click and drag, and anything it will come in contact with, once I release the button, will be deleted. So there you have some quick ways of deleting objects in your model. Now before we get any further, let's go over our autosave settings for SketchUp. In your Windows tab, select Preferences. In Preferences, under General, you will see Create Backup, and make sure Create Backup is checked and also Autosave. Here we see that it is set to save every 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and leave it there and click OK. Go ahead and give your file a name and click Save. SketchUp will create backup files as long as you have saved your file at least once, so remember to save your file. Now let's go over the scale command. Before I can scale an object, first I must have it selected. Here I'm going to select my entire rectangle and then go to my scale button. I'm going to click once and we will see several grip points have been highlighted around my object. Now if I grab one of the corner grips, I can scale my object larger or smaller in proportion. Hit escape. If I grab one of the center points on the surface, it will be scaled in one direction. If I grab one of the grips on an edge, I can scale it in multiple directions. I can also highlight and select more than one object, hit scale, and it will allow me to scale all those objects together. I can also select a surface and it will scale this and adjust the adjacent surfaces accordingly. Go ahead and practice using the scale command. When you're through, let's move on to the next lesson.